The data that we keep in the shop, and we've done it since day one, we keep a record of how many transactions we've had, we keep a record of what time of the day those transactions have had, so we're able to see very clearly over the course of 7 days shopping trends. So we can see what time of the day is our busiest, when's our quietest, what day of the week is our busiest, and we've kept that data from day one 9 years ago. So we've got a really big library of data which is really useful to us as a business, really, really useful. Because we have a lot of data, and I'm a little bit geeky when it comes to the data, we constantly monitor shopping trends. So we look at average spend, we look at what's popular, we do a lot of background reading with magazines and journals through our suppliers. But even in the shop, you can see at a local level, things that were popular maybe 3-4 months ago have slowed down, and that's normally an indication we need to change the products up a little bit. So as an example, chutney, we used to have a huge bay, probably 40-50 different types of chutney in the shop. It slowed down a little bit after Christmas, so we then scale that back a little bit and then think, right, what else can we introduce, something different, something new. There's always going to be a place for those products in the shop, but how much you spend on that and how much you fill the shop up with, they're the sort of things that we have to look at on a regular basis, and that's just retail. People change their shopping habits.